Hello, and Tashidele. I want to extend my invite to all of you for the 14th Tibetan College Conference, Student Conference, which is happening in Seraje Monastery from March 1 to March 6. And I would like to invite you all to come in as many numbers as you can because you have got this platform to come together, to interact with each other and to voice your opinions. Why I say voice of opinions is because it is extremely important that you become this one big force to actually work towards the Tibetan cause, because it's not just the Tibetan cause. If I talk about the environment, it is so much related to the world. So coming together, voicing your opinions, and finding ways to actually tackle this problem, or finding ways to actually bring together more people and bring more awareness. You're not just doing a favor to Tibet, but you are doing a favor to actually the world. So that's why there is a lot riding on you, and I know there are so many organizations all across the world, and of course in India, which are doing little things on their own. This is such a great platform to share it. So if you can learn something which works for you, or if you can share or inspire others which works for others, I think you will be doing a huge favor. And that's why I want you to come to Seraje Monastery. And Seraje Monastery is a beautiful location. Even if you are not there for a set vision, but you will get so much, you will have such a good time in that environment, and you will learn so much. So please take out time to come together and attend this conference. Thank you.